It's just me.
You're watching I Love Vibe. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're in Anaheim. We're checking out 18 Folds and their dim sum.
And then some.
Let's go. So we're at 18 Folds, and they're known for their dim sum all day, every day.
All day. And then some. Son?
Because most dim sum spots end at 3 o'clock. Just keeps going.
So, what do we have here? We got some deep fried spare ribs right here. My cousin would personally love these because he loves deep fried.
And then
this actually looks pretty good.
We got the soup dumplings here.
Now, if you guys haven't had these before, I don't know the name of them. I know it's soup dumplings, but I know there's a name for it. But it's amazing. It just pops right when you eat it. What is this?
And then this is what they're famous for. So they're bacon wrapped shumai. And they actually show you how they make their shumai right on the window right there. So they make them.
Pretty much you head to the register, you can't help but see they're making these in the back, and then you go order it so you know it's fresh.
And it's not frozen.
But what I'm about to do though, bam!
Oh, you're gonna start off right with the main course?
The swine, baby. Come on, man. Bon appetit. Yo, by itself, on fire.
I think shumai by itself is bomb. I don't know about bacon wrapping it.
I mean, what are the regular ingredients that they put in here besides the bacon?
Yeah, it's like a mixture of like ground pork and shrimp.
Okay. But the saltiness of the bacon, I think it adds to it. It makes it pretty good. That's just me though.
I like the traditional way, so I mean it's good. Don't get me wrong, but I really like the traditional way of just how shumai is. Hey, but if you've been here, let us know what you think in the comments below.
But overall, I like it. I mean, who doesn't like bacon wrapped anything, you know?
Let's try their soup dumpling. So you got to be careful with these because, like, if you puncture it, like the sauce will, like the soup will drip out. So you want to take like a gentle bite, suck the soup out.
So foreplay.
This is when you make out with this thing.
Yeah.
You're gonna suck the shit out of it.
Whoa.
I just put it in my mouth. It was bomb.
Yo.
It's good, huh?
Bomb. I don't even know. Yep, it's good.
It's good.
No, these are bomb. Can I dip it?
Yeah, you can dip it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Try it with just soy sauce.
Damn. Oh, yeah.
That's some goodness. Oh. Yeah, but I mean, the prices here aren't bad because like each dish is like around $4 to $5.
Yeah, it's definitely in the price range. Balling on a budget.
And they serve all day. Again, all day. All day. Look at that. Beef, what is this? Pork rib?
Spare rib.
Spare rib. Deep fried spare rib. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. I wasn't hungry, but I'm hungry again.
Oh,
It is good.
this is money.
Damn.
Salty, it's crunchy, it's goodness.
Perfect to have with some beer.
You know, this goes good with this
Don't be
hot
double
mustard.
dipping, bro. I'm gonna go with some extra salt.
Oh, that's so bomb.
Oh, yeah. That swine, baby.
Dude, I need this like at a barbecue party or something.
Oh, that's got some kick to it.
Oh, that's so good.
What is that?
Which one? What'd you get? What'd you pour on it?
What's the yellow stuff?
Oh, this? Oh, this is like
You got mustard?
hot mustard.
Damn, that was strong. I was not expecting that.
Did it like burn?
It kicked me.
You got that wasabi burn.
Yeah. Pretty good.
What do you think, Trinell?
Man, it's kind of hard to choose a favorite. I think we did a really good job of picking the items.
And don't get us wrong, there's a lot of other items that you can get here. We ate a bunch right before this spot, so we kind of wanted to minimize it because we got another spot to check out too. As far as my favorite has to be the spare rib.
Coming in clutch at the very end, huh?
Yeah, the spare rib. The deep fried spare rib, that's bomb.
I'm gonna go with the dumpling. Gotta go with the dumpling. Yep. The one that doesn't have the swine, so I can be healthy. I'm gonna go with the soup dumpling for 500, please.
I think my least favorite had to be the bacon wrap shumai. Dude, I saw that on like some social media platform, and it looked really good. But hey, you know what? It's alright. Because the traditional way is much better.
But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this off camera. So thank you guys again for watching us.
And if you guys have been here, let us know what you think about this spot in the comments below. Also, if there's other spots that you want us to check out, let us know too. We're gonna try to do our best to go check it out for you. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so that way you can watch more videos just like this one. What should they also do, Trinell?
Share it with your family and friends.
Not our family and friends, because they already got it.
Thank
your
you guys.
family and friends, because they'll love it. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.